Sunday, December 22nd, 2019. Blue Bomber update. Gonna do a quick update here. I have all three cars that I've put together. My brother and I have put together. And Chris brought up the gray car in the middle so I can do some work on it, get it back on the road, make it more of a daily driver. So I thought I'd do a video this weekend on update on all three cars real quick. Show you the progress on the Blue Bomber so far. Get the back seats in, seat belts, front seats in and everything. Obviously, you know, I drove it out of the shop and parked it right here. Start it up real quick for you. It's loud. Yeah, there's no exhaust. Super loud. In any event, that's the Blue Bomber. I'm working on the gray car a little bit here. Just doing a quick once over. Here's the engine. Gonna replace this piece here. The kids ran into it. And then we're gonna work on the interior. The kids did wonders on this car, but hey, that's to be expected. And it runs really good. A lot quieter. Blue Bomber's gonna sound just like this car. I'm gonna take it to the same muffler guy, put the same mufflers and exhaust on it. The Blue Bomber will be more of a driver car. We got to repaint this thing too. All the clear coat peeled off. You can see it as the Boise sun just chewed it up. This car was originally from Seattle. They don't have sunshine like they do in Boise. Yeah, so lots of work on this car to do. But it runs. And then last but not least is the black car. My Bonneville car. It's not really a Bonneville car, but you know, hey, guy can dream, right? So that's about it for this weekend. I'm gonna go tinker on the gray car for a minute because I'm kind of tired of working on the blue car for a while. And that's about it. Got the trio going on today. Talk to you later. Bye. Quick update on the gray car. Got the door working. Still needs alignment, but I have to take the front fender off to do that. A lot of work on the inside of the door, on all the mechanisms and everything. Probably thinking that best bet would be to eliminate the power windows and just go with crank windows, put a new regulator in it on both sides. So I also fixed the switch. It works. And door shuts. You can see right there it needs alignment. but whatever. I'll fix it. Door panel I re-glued back together, the back on it. And it's drying inside. So there you go. Quick update. Bye. Back together, running again. Need some parts for the grill though. And then we'll put in the steering box and put on and be down the road. See ya. Bye. Sunday, January 12th. Quick update on the gray car as I wrap up for the weekend. Got the new steering box in and had to tear all of the power steering apart because, you know, from the old box still had water in it and it mixed with the power steering fluid. Looked like Pepto-Bismol. So tore it all apart, cleaned it all out. There's no more water in the system. So that's that. Really nice box. It steers really well now. No slop in it. Had to put a new coupler in it right there. So lots of new steering components. You can see a lot of work was done on the car to get it back on the road and to make it roadworthy. Got the hood back on. New brother-in-law Dave came over and helped me put the hood on. Got the grill back together. New bezel there. Had to put new adjusters in that headlight. Just interesting. A couple little plastic clips I had to special order and wait for like 7 days. It's crazy. In any event, hood still needs aligned on the front here. It doesn't fit very well, but I'll fix that. Putter around with it. All the lights on the outside work, which is amazing. I had to do some rewiring on the back, redo the ground, put it in factory position because it wasn't correct and didn't work. A lot of the lights were burned out. See, the wheels are straight, steering wheel straight, which is always a bonus. Headlights. We have dash lights, and they dim. You can see how they dim. Speedo still does not work, so I suspect there's something down on the transmission side that's not connected, or the gear is stripped, or whatever. I'll figure that out tomorrow, next day, whatever. Still have to put the door panels in, get all that figured out, and the gas gauge, the sending units on order, should have that tomorrow or Tuesday. Weather depending. It's snowing and raining and generally nasty weather. Here's the car. Walk around the other side. Once I got the springs back in the pockets, in the upper pockets properly, car settled right down. It's the same height as the black car now. I did a bunch of measurements. Worked out really well. In any event, there you go. Windshield wipers work too, by the way, which is amazing. Thought I'd mention that. Okay, that's about it for the weekend. Talk to you later. Bye. Okay. Video documentation. You now have a quarter tank of gas in your gas tank. See ya. Bye. Are we on?
You're on.
Okay.
Okay. Gray car. Sounds good. Seatbelts work. Everything works on this car.